Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a website by using Canva. It's a very simple process, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to come over into your Canva. You can simply log in by your email or Gmail account. After coming in into the Canva, you can simply come over into the search option, and here you just need to search for website. And after clicking on website, you can get a lots of template into Canva. You can check which one is fits your needs or for your branding. So I'll go for this sales support. If you click on that, as you can see, here is your website. So I'm going to click on this customize this template. After clicking on that, as you can see, here is your website over here. You can simply customize it by your needs. As you can see, if I just change the color over here in like blue or the violet, I can simply do this as well. Also, I can simply change the text color. Also, I can change the text style if I want. As you can see, I can simply change it. So if you want to edit any of your brand logo, you can do it as well by simply click on uploads, and from here uploads you can simply add your logo, and you can simply change the logo by simply uploading it. After that, you can simply come over into elements, and into the elements, if you want to try to add any of logo, like I'm going to add logo like sales. If I just add it, you can see there are a bunch of graphics and photos. So if I just add this one over here, and if I just remove it over here like this, and if I just add it, I can do this as well. As you can see, I did this. And also, if you want to changes any of pages, or if you don't need these pages, as you can see, I don't need this page, I can simply remove it. As you can see, I deleted it. Also, I can simply delete it by simply click on the delete button. So as you can see, we did it like this. And if you want to changes any of your design, you can simply search it over here like this. So yeah, this is how you can simply create a website in Canva. And now it's about the preview section. If you click on the preview, you can simply see how your website looks like. You can see it by computer desktop screen. Also, you can do this for a mobile screen. So if I just close it, and that's it. And now if we just look for the share button, and if we just wanted to get the public view link, if I just click on this over here, if I just copy the link, as you can see, if I just paste it over here like this and click enter, as you can say, rightly see my website over here like this. As you can see, it's in free domain, so you don't need to give any penny for this. And as you can see, it's very simple, right? So yeah, this is how you can simply create a website for in Canva in a very simple way. You can simply customize it however you need. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.